I'm Dr. Randall Deaton. I'm with Adamsville Family Dentistry, and I practice in Adamsville, Tennessee, and McNairy County is what we serve, and the surrounding counties around us. I have a warm and caring staff. We care about our patients, we care about people, we love our patients. I love dentistry.
We've been coming here for 4 to 5 years. I've had ortho done, I've had braces, had them for a couple of years. When I come in here, I expect it to be clean and happy, and whenever I come, I know that I'm gonna have a good experience and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna have a good day.
I have been going to Dr. Deaton about 6 years. He was referred to me from the dentist I had previously when he was gonna retire, and it's the best move I ever made.
What really makes us unique is our technology. The technology we've invested in, like the Cerec, the one-day, one-visit crown, or the Soleil laser. I was the first dentist in our nation to be able to get the latest version of the Soleil laser, which allows us to do more than 99% of all of our restorative filling procedures with no shots.
He goes out of his way to make sure that they are comfortable and that they understand what he's going to do for them, and make sure that they're okay with the process.
I'm grateful for our profession, for my profession, and the technologies that allow me to be able to make smiles brighter. I love my patients, and that's why I do what I do.